strangely enough, the cattle you have there is the humblest. It doesn't have the hump.
Yes, yeah.
It doesn't have the hump. You see? So that indicates a reason why should, for example, cattle should have a hump, or camel should have a hump, or us we should have a hump. This is storage, right? This is for storage, right? For storage. The fact that this cattle doesn't have a hump
Yes.
means that there was no need for storage. This environment was totally different. Lush green, everything.
In abundance.
You know, all these rocks and all that were covered by good sand, vegetation, a lot of grasses. Yeah, so, you know, the decline of the environmental decline that has occurred over the years has actually, I mean, pushed, you know, the communities to shift from cattle herding to camel herding, because the environment became more harsh. So, but also there was also a spiritual connection when you look into these representations. You can find more clearly in the other. You will see, for example, human representations standing under. Yes, here. It's here. You see, this is a human representation, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's as if he is in a state of